This morning, the U.S. Supreme Court will hear arguments on same-sex marriage bans in 4 states, including Ohio and Kentucky. People have been waiting outside the High Court in Washington, D.C. since Sunday.
And Local 12's Perry Shively is live with reaction from a local man whose case is one of the 4 justices will consider. Good morning, Perry.
Well, good morning to you, Bob. All eyes have been on the Queen City in this debate. A decision here in the 6th Circuit Court of Appeals set the stage for the battle. The November decision upheld same-sex marriage bans in 4 states, including Ohio and Kentucky. Today, the Supreme Court will take on the issue. There are 2 main questions: whether same-sex couples have a constitutional right to marry, and whether states are required to recognize those marriages that are legally performed in other states. Local plaintiff Jim Obergefell filed the Ohio case, and all cases will be heard under his case. He asked the state to recognize his Maryland marriage so his name can appear on his husband's death certificate. Obergefell has a lot of support behind him. About 50 friends and family members have made the trip to Washington with him, but not everyone is in favor of lifting the ban.
I'm optimistic. I think momentum is definitely on our side, just with the great changes, the great positive changes in our country over the past 2 years regarding LGBT rights and equality. So momentum, definitely. We're up to 37 states with the freedom to marry.
There's only 3 states. People talk about all the states that are allowing same-sex unions now. There's only 3 states where it was voted in by the people. That's Washington, Maine, and Maryland.
And cases are also being heard from Michigan and Tennessee. Arguments are scheduled for 2.5 hours starting at 10 o'clock this morning, and a decision is expected by the end of June. Bob, back to you.
All right, Perry, thank you. And be sure to stay with Local 12 as we follow the Supreme Court's progress and decision. You can get updates right here as well as on the Local 12 Facebook page and also at local12.com.